Hi there, here we are with our patient Peter. How was the process for you, my friend?
Unbelievable, unbelievable.
What do your family and friends think?
Oh, they're amazed, amazed.
Yeah. So this whole new profile has been recreated with the tiny little one hair grafts all the way around the front. Made it super soft and natural. Can't find my own suture line, buddy. Can't even find it. Look at this. Where is it? Holy crap, man. This is like one of the best ever. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What would you say to the person sitting at home who's thinking about doing this?
Come, man, come quick. You're missing out.
All right, man.
Awesome.
Thanks so much for doing the video
Are you
for
kidding
us.
me?
Congratulations.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
Here we are with our patient Lionel. We did a max harvest procedure.
Amazing. I mean, you can see it in the picture. That's why I'm back here.
What we did is we completely did his hairline, reframed the face the entire way around. None of this was here to make it look nice and natural. That whole hairline now looks super natural. In the back, he was really thin throughout this crown area.
But some friends and family ended up coming.
So
They're pretty impressed.
No detectability of any of the existing grafts. Got him some beautiful density. You're talking zero detectability with that little line. Well, congratulations. Thanks for doing the video for us, and we're going to do another great job for you.
Thanks a lot.
Devindra is returning to the office today after doing a maxed harvest plus hair transplant procedure.
Easy squeezy lemon peasy. That's all I can say.
There it is. It's all said right there.
Where Josh showed me the work that Dr. Bolton, performed and completed, and I was like, you know what? This is the man that can get the job done.
We completely recreated Devindra's hairline. It came out absolutely great. Beautiful, beautiful results. See that little trace line running through there? All the way around. Your results are phenomenal. So anyways, congratulations. And I look forward to putting more hair up there for you.
Same here.
Hi there, here we are with our patient Eduardo. Eduardo just stopped by the office today, 8 months after we did a max harvest hair transplant procedure on him.
Procedure was awesome, no pain whatsoever. Everything was great, they make me feel very comfortable. And if you are thinking about doing it, I think you should do it because the results are amazing.
The suture line, it looks absolutely perfect, undetectable. This little thing right here is the suture line.
Oh, it was robotic? I said no. I said, how come? Because I can't find the line. She could not find the line. And it's a stylist that cuts hair all day long, every day. That's how good this doctor is, guys. This is voluntarily. I'm not getting paid for this, okay?
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I
Doc.
really
Appreciate
appreciate
it.
you
No
doing
problem.
the video.
Absolutely.
More to come, man. More to come.
Absolutely. That's it.